Hey guys, you know what this means? Another build. So this one, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with it, but I'm thinking I'll probably either keep it as a secondary computer or possibly throw it on salad and just see how it does. But let's go through the parts here as we go through. This first one here is a Lian Li Vision case. I decided to give it a go. I really like the way that there's no grating on the top; it's all glass, and it's looking pretty good. My only worry again is that exhaust. I usually use exhaust at the top there with some fans, but we'll see how it does with thermals and whatnot. But it certainly does look really nice. Now moving on here, got a 4080 Super Zotac. I got into computers when the crypto boom happened in like 2020 or 2021, around there. Zotac cards always had a bad rap, but honestly, they're not too bad. They're actually pretty nice, especially in the 4000 series cards. Moving on here, I got a 13600K. It's not the greatest, but it's certainly no slouch either. You can play most games. Got 4 sticks of 16 gigabyte DDR5 Trident G-Skill RAM. I believe they're 6000 megahertz. Of course, a Trident True Inland NVMe drive from Micro Center. And I decided to go with the Lian Li Infinity fans here. I got the Galahad there, and another set of 3 to sort of round out the 3 fans needed at the bottom and the 3 fans needed on the side for the AIO. And they got a nice look to them. I certainly like how they can be linked without having any extra cables. And then I'm going to be putting the 13600K into this Z790A Wi-Fi Asus Prime board here. And of course, tried and true trusty EVGA. I'm using an 850 watt GQ model power supply here. Fully modular is the best, but honestly, we're always going to be using this ATX cable here, so it shouldn't really matter too much. But yeah, let's throw this together, and we'll see what it looks like here. Yeah, so first impressions here of this Vision case, it's super clean. I'm really liking this, you know, no metal brackets on the top. It's all tempered glass. Just coming around here. Yeah, something else to note is, you know, the back panel is just press fit. You just gotta pull it off pretty much and it comes right out. And just kind of looking in here, the cables are nice. They're also white, not black, so should fit in nicely with this build. Of course, you got the hard drive cages over here, and then a little lip here for the power supply to fit in there. All right, let's put everything in here, and we'll see what the finished build looks like. All right, so this turned out pretty nice. Nice clean build. It's actually pretty easy to build in this case. I guess a little weird not having the top panel there for fans, but ultimately I think it's a good trade-off for the aesthetics. Some little details here though, like the front panel cable, the front audio, they're white, so it should fit nicely into a all-white build. What else? Yeah, just coming around the back here, there's a lot of space to kind of cram things in here if you needed to. But yeah, ultimately it was a pretty easy case to build in. Would definitely do it again. So last thing I need to do here is open up this 4080 Super. It's the Zotac Gaming Trinity OC. And let's see what it looks like here. So far the packaging is alright. It does come with a GPU sag bracket. That's pretty nice. Doesn't look like the normal, you know, sag brackets that come from Amazon. Let's see what this looks like. Hard to do this with one hand. Here we go. All white. Pretty nice. It's you know, it's not, you know, like square-ish. It's actually like rounded. So that's kind of different. Yeah, overall it looks pretty nice and neat. Nice. All right, let's pop this into the case. All right, so the 4080 Super is installed. It's looking pretty good. It didn't really look like there's too much sag, but I decided to throw that sag bracket over there just to, you know, kind of utilize it. But yeah, everything's looking good. You know, the Infinity fans are looking pretty sharp. I gotta say, I don't think I could ever go back to non-interlocking fans like this. It's just so clean in terms of the cable management. But yeah, ultimately it came out pretty nice. So let's take this up to the garage, boot it up, and get some drivers on it. Alright guys, so it's the moment of truth here. Let's flip on the power switch. Alright, it's a great sign. You can see power coming to the motherboard. And let's power this on. Oh, so bright. RGB came on the RAM. RGB came on the pump there. Oh, and it posted. Got my dongle here for my USB drive here for Windows. So yeah, this is looking pretty nice. Pretty happy with it. Like I was saying before, I think I'm probably gonna throw this on salad for a bit and then maybe sell this off on Facebook Marketplace. But yeah, I'm gonna load up Windows, put some drivers on, and run some bench tests, and yeah, we'll see how it does. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Catch you later. Bye.